In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake Everrise token step by step. So the first step is to go to v3app.everrise.com and then connect your wallet. Once you have connected your wallet, you can now type down the amount of Rise token or Everrise token you want to stake. So Everrise token is supported by BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, AVAX, and FTM chain. So for this video, we're going to use BNB chain. And then once you have typed down the amount of Everrise token you want to stake, make sure that you have 0.01 BNB in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And then click here, select how long you want to stake your Everrise token. So the longer you stake, the higher the multiplier. And for example, I'm going to select 1 month. So my multiplier is times 1. And then click generate NFT stake here, and the confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. So you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transactions to be completed, and then go back here on the manage. And then you will see here the total value you have staked, total value you have locked, and total value you have unlocked. And if you want to claim your rewards, just click here and just pay for the gas fee again. So make sure that you leave enough BNB in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And we're done. If you have any questions about how to stake Everest token, leave a comment below.